Hello guys, in today's video I'll be showing you can you grow a 20 USD account trading with a bot in Deriv, right? So far we have already done the can you grow at USD account, you have already done can you grow a 5 USD account, you have also done can you grow a 10 USD account, and now today we do the can you grow a 20 USD account, okay? Yeah, so most of you have been asking me if I have a 20 USD account, how can I grow it or not? So in this video I'll be showing you both if you can grow your 20 USD account and basically how to do it, okay? So first things first is ensure you have already loaded your bot. So as you can see right now, I've already loaded my CandleMine version 2 bot. Again, before you even execute your trades, always ensure you've already set your stop loss, ensure you've already set your take profit, ensure you've already set your initial amount, your win amount, and your martingale, okay? Once you set these three, you're okay. Once you set all this, you're okay, all right? Again, when it comes to stop loss, this is what you can do to be able to recover your losses easily. Now, I've always insisted that you should ensure you should not incur a loss of more than 20%, okay? But when it comes to Deriv, when it comes to bots, okay? If you put, let's say, a stop loss of 4, it will limit the bot to only 2 losses, okay? And if the bot tries to recover the third loss, it will be limited by the stop loss. So I always at least advise people to increase the stop loss to 20, okay, so that at least you enable the bot at least to recover that loss, all right? But keep it in your mind, if you incur a loss, if you see you have incurred a loss of 4 USD, you stop your bot and you stop trading for the day, all right? The reason you're putting these 20s is so that the bot, you can at least give the bot one more chance after the second loss to recover that loss, okay? Yeah, because sometimes when you're trading with your bot, it can incur 2 losses in a row. Okay, so if you're not able to recover those losses with the third run, you can end up with a very bad loss. And at least I hope you'll be able to see this so that at least you're able to know how it occurs and how to deal with it. Okay, so basically before you run your bot, ensure you have set your initial amount, win amount, your take profit. That one is a must. The stop loss, please don't forget what I've said. If right now in car loss of 4 USD going up, I'll have to stop my bot automatically, okay, unless I give my bot another chance, okay? After that, ensure you confirm your ticks, and after that, now it is time for you to trade. All right, so right now I've already found a good market. So this one is a 30 volatility. As you can see, over one is very favorable right now. The percentage is strong. Also these numbers are strong. Everything's okay. Again, when it comes to stake, guys, always use between 2 to 5% of your stake, okay? 2 to 5% of your account as stake. If you have, let's say you have a 20 USD account, use 2 to 5% of that account. So the maximum stake I should use in this account is 1, and that is what I'm using in this video, okay? Yeah, so you have to be really careful when it comes to that, okay? So after you've set everything now, it is time to do the timing. Now, once this percentage increases by 0.2% from the time we found it, we run our bot. So right now it is at 82.7. If it goes to 82.9 or even higher, we start running our bots, okay? Otherwise, if it is decreasing, we do not trade at all. Anytime you see this percentage is decreasing, refrain from running your bot, okay? As you can see now, it is increasing. Actually, we could have started running, but yeah, let us give it one more chance. If it goes to 82.9, we start running, okay? Again, always confirm your volatility, always confirm your contract type, and always confirm your prediction. If one of these is just wrong, oh guys, you'll be in trouble, okay? Yeah, so we're at that UNS. So remember I told you guys also this percentage basically tells you when to run, but these percentages here tell you when to stop your bot, okay? In case you see these percentages have become misaligned based on the conditions we spoke about on our previous videos, please ensure you stop. Again, if you do not understand the over 1 or under 8 strategy you're referring to, please ensure you check the link in the description. I'll be able to see those videos, okay? I have linked those videos in the description so that at least if you have not watched, you'll be able to see these videos later on, okay? We have made an over 1 analysis tool strategy video and an under 8 analysis tool strategy video. The reason again you're trading over 1 and under 8 is because they're favorable for all traders, okay? Awesome. So currently I'm still waiting for this percentage to hit 82.9 so that we start, because we found it at 82.7, don't forget. Yeah, so that is where we are. Again, be very ready. Always ensure you confirm your contract type and your prediction. Always confirm them as much as you can, okay? Yeah, because if you do not confirm properly, you can be in danger, okay? Yeah, because sometimes the bots can reset themselves. You find that you had set over, and then by the time you come back, it is both. All right, so always ensure before you run, confirm. As you're analyzing, confirm. After you run, after you stop the bot, and you're about to start running again, confirm, confirm, confirm. Okay? As you can see, every time this percentage is decreasing, a loss happens, a loss happens, a loss happens. Okay? Yeah, so you have to become really, really careful. All right, so right now, as you can see, the percentage is struggling a bit. Even if it is high, you can see it is losing some power. And every time it loses power, as you can see, an under appears. Okay, so you should always ensure this percentage is always gaining momentum. Okay, as you can see now, it is gaining some momentum. Yeah, ensure it is gaining more. Every time you see it is losing power, there is always a reason. And if you ignore that reason and you start running your bot, you'll end up facing losses. And every loss you face here, you need a martingale of 4 or 5, which is very painful if you just have unnecessary losses. Okay, all right, so you're at 82.7, 82.6. Just be patient. The main thing again is patience, patience, patience. You have to be patient. Be patient for the perfect entry. Be patient enough to find a good market and also know when to leave. Okay, so you're at 82.8. Okay, let us run quickly. Let us run quickly. Let us run quickly. As long as it has touched 82.9, it was our sign. So you have already started. Remember, you're targeting 4 USD and you're out. Okay. Yeah, so that is what we are targeting. We have already started running our bot. So when immediately you start running your bot, remove all your attention from here and bring it here, okay? Again, we are only doing 20 runs at a time. So remember, guys, I told you should do a maximum of 20 runs at a time. If you do 20 runs and all the runs are a profit, basically if you do 20 runs, stop your bot, reset, and continue if the market is good, or change the volatility if the market is unconducive, okay? So you are running, as you can see. Yeah, so we have recovered there. We are moving well. So you are at 10 runs. And you're still going. So this is assuming you have a $20 account, okay? Yeah, so be patient enough to find that perfect entry. Once you find it, you execute it as much as you can, okay? All right, you're at 13 runs. 14. Again, you have to do a lot of practice also, okay? As a trader, you have to do a lot of practice. Practice day and night, okay? Never feel like you're too qualified to practice. Practice as much as you can, okay? Okay, one more run and we stop for the day. Boom, and just like that, you have hit our target profit, okay? Yeah, so this is how you basically do it. First things first, set your bot. Again, go and find a good market. Again, come and set the bot based on the market you have seen. Again, after that, you have to do the proper timing. Do the proper timing, as I've told you guys, wait for the percentage to increase by 0.2. Immediately it does that, you jump into the market, execute your trades quickly, execute, and leave, all right? And that is basically how you do it if you have a 20 USD account. If you have any question about this, please let me know down in the comment section, and I'll be able to get back to you. Again, please ensure like and share this video if you enjoyed it, and subscribe if you haven't, so that you're able to see more and more of this, okay? Yeah, so guys, if you have any question about this, once again, please ensure you WhatsApp me or comment down below and we'll be able to answer you immediately, okay? Otherwise, guys, thank you very much for watching this video. Keep on trading, keep on pushing. Again, please don't be confused about the stop loss. The reason you have set a stop loss like this is to give our bot a chance to recover, even if you have a second loss, okay? But keep it in your mind, if you experience a loss of 20% of your account, we stop. Like if right now our bot could have experienced a loss of minus 4.07, you could have left, okay? So you have to be really aware. That is why I keep on saying, don't just leave your bot to do everything on it. So no, you have to be there to monitor it, okay? So that in case it does a mistake, you stop it. In case it hits 20%, you stop it, okay? When it comes to stop loss, I advise that you as a trader, you stop the bot yourself, okay? But when it comes to take profit, the bot will stop itself. But when it comes to stop loss, you stop it, okay? Yeah, so that